Alright, so in this video, we're just going to be reducing 56 and 98 down to their simplest form. So to start this off, we are trying to find the greatest common factor, or the GCF. So if you ever see GCF, that means greatest common factor. So I've actually just broken up 56 into its tiny parts. So if you do 2 times 2, that's 4. 4 times 2, that's 8. 8 times 7 is 56. And then I did the same for 98. 2 times 7, 14. 14 times 7, 98. Okay, so that's what I've done here. If you see this in a question, don't get scared. It's just that they've broken it down, or that you have to break it down and figure it out. So what are we looking for in this? We are actually looking for numbers that are the same, or equations that are the same. Right here we can see that there is a 2 times 7, and right here we can see that there is a 2 times 7. So this will give us a GCF. So 2 times 7, as we know, is 14. So the GCF of this number is 14. Basically now what we're going to do is we are just going to bring it down. So we'll bring 56 divided by 14. And then 98 divided by 14. And for the sake of this video, I am not going to go through and do all of this, but basically you'll just throw the 56 into this thing here, divided by 14, and you throw the 98 into another one of those things. Okay, super simple, so you just go through that, figure it out. I'll give you the answers right here, though. So we know that this 56 divided by 14 is 4, or you should have gotten that answer right here. And we know that this one is actually, what is it? Right, 7. So the answer to this question is actually 4-7. Right here. This can get complicated if you don't understand it. So when I first came at these questions, all I saw was reduce 56, or 56 98s. 56 divided by, I don't know how to speak. It confused me, because then when I looked at the answers, it still confused me, because I just saw this. And I'm like, well, what the heck is this? But then when I looked at it, and it actually talked about the GCF in the answer key there, and I'm like, oh, that actually makes a lot more sense. So they're just breaking it up into individual parts. I don't know why they don't just do the, like, figure out the least common multiple, but maybe that's the wrong term. But this is what works. It's what works for me. It's what works in my brain. I'm sure that there's many ways to do this, but this will get you to the answer. And that's what I'm trying to do. Get myself to the answer. So, yep, that's the end of this video.